Today we're going to see how to use Zoom. To use Zoom, we're going to install the Zoom first. So go to Chrome, type in Zoom. These days, many people using Zoom to connect all over the world and different conferences and video communications. So we're going to see how to use the Zoom platform in Windows computer. So for download, click on the link, sign up, it's free. The Zoom download, it's free. So click up for sign up, or you can download this software for your computer. You have to request our demo, or for your organization, do you want to buy Zoom? You can do that, or you can just download it from Zoom clients for meeting. So it's a 64-bit client. So download depends on your system. So click download, choose the location where you want to download, save it. It will take a couple minutes to save it. Then click on this, show in the folder, Zoom installer, right click on it. I always do as a run as administrator. So click run as administrator, you click yes, Zoom installizing, so it will take a couple minutes, seconds. So if you don't have an account, there is an icon that say create an account. So you have to create an account. So it will be like this. If you don't have a sign in or Zoom account, you have to click on sign in by Google, sign in with Google. You click on it, you have to sign in with your Gmail. So I will access through my Google account. I'm inside the Zoom. So for Zoom, there is several options. You can create the meeting, you can join into a meeting that's already been scheduled or it's there, or you can schedule a meeting, or you can share your screen, something like that. So before going into it, I'll create my profile. So it's like licensed and my email there and available options. You can say away, do not disturb, like my profile. You can sign into your profile and see it. You don't have to sign in now. So after creating your profile here, so it will show your name and settings for here. Check for any updates, switch to different views, switch account. If you have a work account and personal account, you can switch in between. So there is an option called chat. So I can chat with, you can add somebody in the chat that you may know by their email address or name. You can type in and chat with them. And for meetings, it's showing this is my personal ID. For the meeting, I can start a meeting right by clicking this button, or just to share this meeting invitation, I can copy my invitation and just paste in email to send it, or in a text or WhatsApp, anywhere to send that, or join from a room. If you want to join from a room, you can join into it, or if you want to edit the meeting invitation, you can edit it. So for new meeting, click on this new meeting button. It will start a new meeting with join with computer audio or a microphone. You can join into the meeting. You are the only one, the participant, because you just created the new meeting. So if you want to invite someone into this, just click on this invite button. It will show you the contacts in your email, or if you want somebody else contacts, copy invitation link or copy invitation, so that you can send through emails or your Google Calendar. By email you can say default email, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, or Zoom rooms. If you have any Zoom rooms, you can send that invitation for your meeting. So I'll end this meeting. So for joining into a meeting, you click on join button. You have to put the meeting ID so and say your name here, turn off my video or turn on my video. If you want to keep your video on by joining the video, just click on the join button. That will take you to the meeting that you want to join into, whatever meetings you want. These are all my histories. Then cancel. For scheduling a Zoom meeting, click on schedule. So name it like topic, intro to your class, or intro to your project. Click on the date. Today is September 2nd. You may choose you want to do schedule a meeting for next 13th at morning 9 a.m. You want the meeting duration for 1 hour. You can set the time zone, like you want to set Eastern time, US and Canada, or PT time, or Atlanta time, or Central time, whatever you want, or whichever schedule meeting you want to, and generate automatically, or it will the meeting ID generate automatically, or you can use the personal meeting ID anytime. So host on or off. So this is the host that you going to start the meeting. If you want your video on, you can keep it on. If you want the participants video on, you can keep it on. I'll say keep it off for default, because anybody want to start their video and talk to you, they can do that. They can choose it. You can say audio, telephone and computer audios, because sometimes the Wi-Fi signals will be down, so you can connect both telephone and computer. So that's better to keep it as telephone and computer. You can add to the calendar if you want to, either Outlet, Google Calendars, or other calendars. Click on the button save. That will save and save a meeting. Sign in. Select what Zoom can access. Cancel. I don't want to. So it's like you launch. You have the meeting scheduled. Let's go into meetings. You already scheduled a meeting. Here, intro to your project, a meeting ID. If you want to share it, just copy this invitation and send to somebody else by email or Outlook or any other contacts. So when once you sent out your invitation, now the time came to start your meeting. You just like start the meeting. You can start the meeting by joining with your computer audio, and you can turn on the video or to talk. The people can hear you. You can unmute yourself and mute yourself when you have to keep silence and let the participants to talk. You can generate polls. No polls or quizzes created yet. You can create a quiz, or you can say questions, choose yes or no. You can create options and send to your participants in the meeting to poll and quizzes, and you can chat with them in the chat box here. For everyone, you can select everyone in the meeting, or you can select the participants who want to. Like you can see a list of participants here, so you can choose a participant if you want to personally have to text, or you can just chat differently. So to add participants, like I said, click on here, invite, and you can invite them. Security, so you can say lock meeting or hide profile pictures. See, my profile picture hide it. So it's like it's everything here. You want to share your screen, click on share screen. You can share all the screen. If you have two screens, you can select which screen you want to share. And here also, like, multiple participants can share simultaneously. Keep this option in case if you doing a group collaboration, that that will be useful. If you only the one participant that presenting your project, that this option will be fine for one participant that can share at any time. If you want to record and save for other people who want to see your meeting or any people missed in the meeting, you can click on the button record on this computer or record to the cloud. On the computer, you can say click on the computer and choose the location where you want to save. Live transcript, you can say assign a participant to type, or I will type, copy the API token, or enable auto transcription. Breakout rooms are very useful for collaborations. If there is a 20 or 30 people in your office and you want a breakout rooms for 4 people or 2 people, you can assign automatically create one breakout room, or you can create, if you have 10 people, you can create 5 breakout rooms, 2 for each, or 2 breakout rooms, 5 for each. Depends on your class or project. You have the reactions, you can say, you can raise your hand in between the meeting if you want to ask a question or you have something to say. So pretty much it's like you have different waves: speaker wave, gallery wave, and immerse wave. It's like you choose how you want to display your speaker. You want to mainly focus on the speaker. The speaker will be the bigger picture and rest of them will be in the small icons. So that's all for the Zoom meeting. You go ahead and do collaborate and do what you want in the meetings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.